student, welcome back to the fourth episode of Learning Python Programming. We saw some interesting shapes created by you after our last video. It is amazing to see that you all are enjoying learning with us. For today's lesson, we will learn the goTo function of the turtle in Python.
Hello dear students, hope you are doing well. Previously we learned how we can do pen up and pen down. In this section, let's try to understand how we can move to some desired position using goTo function. goTo function in turtle programming used to go to a desired location on screen. The screen is divided into 4 quadrants: x, minus x, y, minus y. The points where the turtle is present will be in the beginning position, that is 0, 0. In goTo function, we have to pass 2 coordinates x and y. For example, go to 100, 100. Here we have passed 2 coordinates x equal to 100 and y equal to 100. This will make a straight line on the screen. Let's do an activity code for this. Import turtle library. Create turtle and save it in a variable t. Use goTo function with 200 and 0 values. Use another goTo function with x values 100 and y value 100. Now use the home function to return to the original position. Run the code. This will create a triangle on screen. You can be more creative by adding color to it. You can refer to chapter 1 for this. Next concept is how to write on screen. We have a very special function used to print a message on screen, and that is a write function. There is a major difference between print function and write function. Write is used to print the message on turtle screen along with shapes, whereas print function is used to print message on console. Here is activity code. We have to draw a map or route from home to school. Import turtle library. Create turtle and save it in a variable t. Use write function with hometown as a message within brackets. Now move left with 90 degree and forward 30 steps. Use dot function to point next shop. Use write function with barber shop as a message. Now move forward 40 steps. Use dot function to point next shop. Now repeat the functions with different points. Finally, use write function to print you reach to your school message. Run the code and you can see there is a route from hometown to school is made. Wonderful students, you did it so well. You studied new functions in turtle library, used goTo function and write function. We have a lot more fun and new functions waiting in next section. Till then, happy coding.
That's an interesting difference between write function and print function of turtle. I would love to see some other maps created by you. It could be map to your favorite shop from your home. Create a map of your favorite place from home in Clever's AI Labs. Here is how you can log in to Clever's AI Lab and write your own code. Here is how you can log in to Clever's AI Labs and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!